So when we are using this manually, we do have three types of modes. That is altitude hold mode, GPS mode, and manual mode. Now we are using the altitude hold mode, and as you can see, we can arm the drone in altitude hold mode. And the Raspberry Pi and the Pixhawk are having their own power supply. One is getting the power supply from the power bank, and another one is getting the power supply from the LiPo battery.
Here is the power bank underneath, and the LiPo battery is attached here.
So as you can see, we can arm the drone, but after 5 seconds of immobility, the drone can disarm by itself. Yeah, just like this. So this is a safety precaution we are taking. So yeah, the process goes like this. Ready and open. So after giving more than 50% of throttle, it will take off.
So after we planned the waypoints, I am uploading the script to the ArduPilot. So I am uploading the script right now to the drone.
In the first phase, it will just go and survey the whole field and detect the diseases and send the coordinates to the host. And in the second phase, it will go and spray the pesticides in precision. And
So,
this is the whole process.
First of all, we are showcasing the first run of the drone. I have started the upload. Drone will start now.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know.
Now we will demonstrate how the drone will fly itself automatically and spray the pesticide. We are not using the remote. We are only using a laptop through which we will control the drone.
The scripts are there in the laptop, and we are using the telemetry module for the mapping, and it has already given us the coordinates of the patches. For example, it has given us the coordinate of that position because right now there is no paddy field or any crop field, but somehow it has given us that patch land has some kind of patches or diseases. So in this round it will go and spray. Hopefully it will spray the pesticide over there. fail safe. It is moving back to the home station because at that place it found that there is a patch or any disease because that's only it sprayed the water over there, and now it is returning to its home place, and it is the place from which it got launched. So this is the fail safe condition and return to home.